Alright, so now we're just going in and dusting off all of that dust, and then we're going to go in with our nail prep tools. So I'm going to be using Nail Prep, Nail Bond Dehydrator, and I'm going to be using a base coat by Model 1s. We're going to start with this nail prep that I purchased off of Amazon. Everything is linked in my description in my Amazon storefront. So if you're interested in anything that I'm using, it's all linked in my Amazon storefront. Or if you want to buy anything directly from the vendor, like for example, the MelodySusie nail drill / nail lamp, that is linked in my description as well with a coupon code for, I believe it's 15% off. So I'm just going in and applying all my nail prep tools, and then I'm going to cure that for about 30 seconds on each hand. Now we're going to go ahead and size out our nails. So these are a new shape that I'm adding to my Etsy shop. If you guys don't know, I sell soft gel full nail covers in my Etsy shop. These are in the size square medium. They're supposed to be square short according to my supplier, but these are a medium to me, and I honestly love these full nail covers. So if you're interested, I'm gonna have them for pre-order on my Etsy shop. There's gonna be limited quantity just because I want to see how it does, if you guys really like it, or if you guys aren't the biggest fans, if you prefer extra short full nail covers. Before we begin our application, let's do a shameless plug. Y'all, I created a TikTok, and if you guys are interested in seeing, short, cute, simple nail designs and seeing me package your guys' orders, if you do order off of my Etsy shop, you can go on there and, request, hey, can you package order number such and such, and I'll gladly do that for you guys. And then I just post daily vlog, like lifestyle stuff that I do on my day-to-day. So if you guys are interested, definitely recommend checking out my TikTok. Give me a subscribe, like, comment. I'm going to leave the link down below. But I loved it. I'm going to start doing TikToks, try and do one like almost every day. So stay tuned for that. But alright, back into the video. I'm going to be using alcohol as my slip solution for this video, like always. If your polygel comes with slip, you can use that, but I prefer to use alcohol most of the time. And this dapping dish I got from TJ Maxx. So I'm going to be using clear polygel for today's video. We're basically doing Gel-X, but with polygel. And it's just easier for me than putting on nail glue and like making sure you have the right bead amount. I don't know. I prefer to use polygel. But I am thinking about bringing this new type of polygel to my Etsy do not apply them straight to your cuticle. You want to leave almost a semi gap, if that makes sense, because it makes your cuticles look like acrylic. You know, when you do acrylic, they don't apply it right at your cuticle. It's the same thing when doing full nail covers. I'm going to do a more in-depth video on this the next time I do my nails, but I went too close to my cuticles when I put them on, and it's honestly because they were clear. I'm not making excuses or anything. Like, I'm perfect at doing my nails all the time. I'm not. But when you have like color polygel, you can see it better, but you just want to make sure that you're not applying it directly to your cuticles. So I had to do a lot of cuticle work. I even cleaned them up after I finished applying my gel polish and everything. But alright, so now it's time for us to do our design. I'm going to be using this gel polish from iGel, and this is in the shade Cozy Cashmere. This took forever to get here. Like, I ordered this probably over a month ago and it just got here. So just be aware of that if you decide to order from them. I don't have a discount code or anything, but I really do love this gel polish. I only did one coat of it because I was going for a thin, like milky type of look with this gel polish, but I don't know, I kind of wish I did 2 coats. I really do love this color, but like I said, it just takes forever to get shipped to your house, so just be aware of that. And I'm just cleaning up around the cuticles and everywhere where I may have got some gel polish around it with my polygel brush. It just has alcohol on it. trick. Turn your hand upside down for 15 seconds before putting it in your lamp. It just makes your gel polish top coat even out. So last and final step is cuticle oil, my favorite part. I'm just going to hydrate my cuticles. I also sell this in my Etsy shop. Link is down below. I love these cuticle sticks. They're so cute and they're perfect. You can take them anywhere on the go. So here are the final nails. I love them. Like I said, I did have to go back in and do a little bit more cuticle work just because I love my cuticles to be super flushed and they just weren't flushed enough for me, but they're cute nonetheless. I love this color. I really do. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out my new TikTok. The link will be down below. Love you guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.